Hello and welcome back. Before we get started, just a reminder to like and subscribe and share with anyone else you think might enjoy this content. It really all helps the channel out. So today we're doing number 132. Let's start with this box. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 8, 9. For this box, looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so 5. 3 here, so 8, 3. To finish out this row, we're missing a 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. Oh, we've got a 1 and 5 here, so 6, a 1 here, 5, 1. For this box then we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so 4. I don't see any other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. Let's finish off this column here. Looks like we're missing a 1. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box then, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 7. 2 and 6 here, so 7. That makes this our 2 and our 6. And that 7 makes this our 8 and 7. So to finish out this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing a 9. And for this box then, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 3 and 5 here, so 4, 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box then, we're missing a 3 and an 8. We've got the 3 here, so 8, 3. And then this row, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this box then, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. So we've got the 4 here. So 6, 7, 6 here, so 4, 7, 7 here, so 4, 6. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got the 1 and 2 there, so this is our 6. A 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 4, 6, that 4 makes this our 7, that 6 makes this our 4, so this is our 6. For this box then, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. Got 2 and 5 there, so 7, 5 there, so 2 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.